Hello everyone. Today we're in Mukteshwar, a true hidden gem in the Himalayan Kumaon hills of Uttarakhand. Perched high in the Himalayas, Mukteshwar welcomes you with rolling valleys, lush forests, and charming fruit orchards. Stay at a beautiful nature resort, tucked right in the lap of the mountains. Mornings begin with misty sunrises, crisp air, and birdsong. Days are for café hopping, tasting local Kumaoni flavors, and simply soaking in the calm. Wander through quiet hillside homes and scenic trails where clouds drift by at eye level and sunsets turn golden over the peaks. For a spiritual touch, visit the historic Mukteshwar Dham, a Shiva temple over 350 years old. Nature lovers can explore nearby waterfalls and forests, while adventure seekers can try rock climbing and rappelling at Chauli Ki Jali, or even paragliding in the region. If your heart longs for fresh air, mountain silence, and meaningful travel, Mukteshwar is calling. Plan your dream India holiday with UK India Tourism. No cookie-cutter tours, just journeys designed around your style, taste, and budget. Book now and let your next story begin in the Himalayas.